Hey, it's got Wessex Blades raising funds. Went away to a festival, didn't I? That's entrance fee for you. So, this one here, I need to let go. It's a necker, so there's the mount points there. The strap goes all the way around the handle with a sort of shrouded area. Out comes the blade. This is in AEBL. This is a really nice bit of stainless. It's like specifically for blades, if that makes sense. And as far as I'm concerned, for the future Wessex Blades, it's more of where I'm going. It's like 52-100, very simple, fine grain, but stainless. And whereas ball bearings still 52-100 is for ball bearings. It's great at blades. AEBL is for blades. It's great stuff. So AEBL, very capable necker. We've got jimping on the top. It's a full hand grip. Thumb goes there. Powerful. Beautiful little section there. All polished up with little grooves in it. Just add a little detail. A very stout little necker sheath. Around goes the strap and click, so you'd wear it like that. That's available. £1.25 posted UK. This one, it's a Guinevere. Okay. Double row stitching. Wessex Blades. It's not two and then one row and then a little triangle bit down here. 2 rows all the way down. That stout, strong welt goes all the way down. And the stitching on the back. So belt loop. A little bit of a ramp. A little bit of a section there, stop your hand riding forward. Nicely polished on this section there. Brass fittings. Got a red liner. This is in oak. Sorry, elm. English elm. Very nice. Fits where your fingers go like that, if that makes it. Lovely. Powerful cuts. Got some close-ups coming soon. So that was in elm. And this one's in spotted sycamore. So looking to raise funds there. That one. 170 posted. Just for these 2 days. And I have 4 chair leg base with the steel floor sort of bracket there at the bottom. And these are 12mm. One there. I've got 12mm there. I've got 10mm there. 10mm there. So I want 25 for those and 30 for these. Want to buy some of those, just you know the price of them. Okay, so 30 for the big ones. 25 for the 10 mils. That's a lot of ferro rod there. So raising funds as fast as possible because yeah, I went out for the weekend. I've got to get to the end of the month now. Right, so thanks for anybody supporting me. It'd be great if you could purchase a Wessex. But yeah, just today, tomorrow, and let's hopefully make someone happy and have a Wessex. Close-ups coming. Very naughty boy.